The P0422 code indicates that your vehicle's catalytic converter on bank 1 isn't working efficiently enough. This refers to the catalytic converter, which processes exhaust gases to reduce emissions. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. The engine control module detects that the converter is not adequately converting harmful exhaust gases like hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxides into less harmful emissions. This signals performance below the required threshold. The catalytic converter is crucial for reducing pollution from your vehicle's exhaust. It uses precious metals to trigger chemical reactions that convert hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxides into carbon dioxide, water, and nitrogen. Oxygen sensors before and after the converter measure its efficiency. A P0422 code appears when the downstream sensor detects excessive oxygen, showing that the converter isn't effectively scrubbing emissions. To diagnose the P0422 code, begin with an OBD2 scanner to confirm the diagnostic trouble code. Connect the scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port to read and verify the P0422 code. Next, analyze the freeze frame data stored when the code was triggered to understand the conditions. Perform a visual inspection of the exhaust system for any leaks, damage, or blockages. Check the oxygen sensor waveforms using an oscilloscope to ensure they are functioning correctly. Finally, maintain regular upkeep such as oil changes every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and using high-quality fuel to prevent catalyst issues. Fixing the P0422 code involves identifying and correcting the underlying problem. If the catalytic converter is faulty, replacement might be necessary, though new smart catalytic converters are being developed. Faulty oxygen sensors should be replaced. Repair any exhaust leaks. Address engine issues like misfires or fuel injector problems. Ensure the engine runs on the correct air-fuel mixture. Resolving these issues is key to clearing the code. A faulty oxygen sensor is often the cause of a P0422 code. These sensors monitor oxygen levels in the exhaust to help the engine control module adjust the air-fuel mixture. Upstream sensors, located before the catalytic converter, monitor combustion efficiency. Downstream sensors, after the converter, check if it's reducing emissions properly. Faulty readings from either sensor can trigger P0422 by giving inaccurate data about emission control. To replace oxygen sensors, first locate them in the exhaust system. Remove the old sensors carefully to avoid damage. Install new ones, ensuring proper torque on connections. Modern sensors from manufacturers like Bosch and Denso offer improved reliability and faster response times. After replacement, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0422 code. Test drive the vehicle and scan again to ensure the code doesn't reappear, confirming the fix. Exhaust leaks can significantly reduce the catalytic converter's efficiency by allowing unfiltered gases to escape. Inspect the exhaust manifold, pipes, and gaskets for leaks. Look for signs like soot buildup, corrosion, or loose bolts. Repairing these leaks ensures all exhaust gases pass through the converter, allowing it to function correctly. Use high-quality gaskets and ensure proper sealing during repairs to prevent future leaks and maintain efficiency. As electric vehicle adoption increases, the relevance of the P0422 code is diminishing. EVs don't have catalytic converters, eliminating the possibility of this error. Hybrid vehicles also experience lower P0422 rates due to more efficient catalysts. While P0422 remains important for older ICE vehicles, its prevalence will decrease as the automotive industry shifts towards electrification. Even still, it's important to fix, as studies show that P0422 cause inefficiencies, which contribute 5 to 10% of urban air pollution in ICE-heavy cities.